Hello guys, you are welcome to BB Forest Trading Strategies. And today I'll be sharing with you guys strategy how you can trade volatility index or synthetic index, which are offered by drive.com. So before we go any further guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, do so, and if you haven't turned on the notification bell, please turn on the notification bell so that you can not miss any video that I upload every week. So guys, we are going to use Ichimoku indicator, relative strength index, and moving average in this strategy. So guys, before we continue, let's add our Ichimoku and our moving averages in this place so that we'll show you how you can use them to trade synthetic index in drive.com. So guys, let's add our Ichimoku. You all know the sign that we use. Here is what we use. Here is our button. You can use it to add any indicator you want to use to trade. So guys, let me go and add what we have in our main window. We have moving average 20, we have shift 0, exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, any color of your choice guys, any color of your choice. You click done. The next indicator is fractal. Our fractal is default settings guys, default settings. You click done. Then our next indicator here is moving average 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, any color of your choice guys. You click your done. The next indicator in our window 1 here is relative strength index. Here is our relative strength index settings guys. Here is our settings. We use period 144, apply to close, style 2 pixel. Then you use the color of the background you are using. Our levels, we have 50, we have 80, we have 90, we have 10, we have 20. So guys, you go back, you click your done. The next indicator we have here is Ichimoku. We have Ichimoku. Here guys, here is our Ichimoku settings. Guys, you will use default settings here. The only thing you have to do is to change the color. That's the only thing you have to do. King John's saying is the background of your color that you will use. Then down Como, you use the color. Up Como, you use the color of your choice. Then the last one, you use the background color that you are using to trade. That's what you will use. Then you click done. Guys, let's go to our chart and see. Guys, here is how our chart look like. Here is how our chart look like, guys. How do we use this Ichimoku to trade? And our moving averages. Guys, normally you know that this moving average shows us the trend of the market. That's why we use moving average at times to know the trend of the market. When you have already know the trend of the market, you will now take the position through your window 1 indicator. Through your window 1 indicator. So guys, how do I enter trade? As you can see, volatility 75 index is selling seriously here, and we cannot enter for buy. Guys, we cannot enter for buy now. So the only thing you will do here is to enter for sell for now until You see this. You see your Ishimoku, the red touching 20 to 10 level. But when you saw it like this, don't enter the trade. Don't enter for buy. It's not yet due for buy. When you enter for buy is when the red Ichimoku is touching the 20 to 10 level and this is touching the 20 level. If it's touching the 20 level, you have to wait for the red Ichimoku to cross above the purple. When it cross above, you can enter for sell. But if it did not cross above the purple Ishimoku, don't enter for buy. It's not yet ready for buy. It's still selling. As you can see now, this is touching our 20 to 10 level, and the market keep on selling. The market keep on selling because you have not crossed the purple Ishimoku. It has not met it. So here you continue selling. You continue selling each time you see your fractal. You continue selling because it's still selling. For instance, you are selling from here. When you saw this fractal, you sell. When you saw fractal between your moving averages, you sell. When you saw fractal before here, you sell until you wait for buy until the red cross the purple line. Then you can enter for buy. You can enter for buy. So guys, you can use this strategy to trade both boom. You can use it to trade crash also. So guys, let's see this place now. Guys, here is one of example to buy. Touch 20 level. As you can see here, touch 20 level is getting ready to buy. That is the first condition. You will now wait for this to touch the 20 level. That is the purple color. When it touches the 20 level, you will wait for it to cross. When it crosses, you look at your main charts. If your moving average have crossed, guys, you enter for buy. You enter for buy. Let me show you guys for sell. Let me show you guys for sell. Let's check if we can see a good sell. Guys, here is a very good, perfect time to sell when the condition melts. Here, our red Ichimoku is between the 90 to 80 level. Then you wait for your brown Ichimoku to touch the 80 level. When these two conditions has met, you will now wait for it to cross. As when it crosses, you now check your main chart if your moving average have crossed below. When the moving average has crossed, then you enter for sale. You enter for sale. It's as simple as that, guys. Very simple. If you can wait for the condition to melt, if you can wait for this condition, you are good to go. Guys, let me show you. Boom, 1000. Let's check. Boom, 1000. Sorry. Let's check. Boom, 1000. Wow, sorry. Boom, 1000. Here is our boom, 1000, guys. Here is our boom, 1000. Guys, we will use 1 minute time frame in this one. Guys, here is our 1 minute time frame. Always back test it to make sure that it's touching the levels that you want it to touch, because some used to touch fake touch. Guys, watch this one, and this one touch for a buy in boom 1000. As you can see here, this one touch, but you have not crossed our purple ishimoku also touch before it now cross, guys. Before you see the cross here, then you enter for buy. You scalp your buy, then you leave, because 1 minute time frame I use it to scalp. I use 1 minute time frame to scalp. You scalp, buy, you leave the market. So guys, let me show you for sale. You can use this, guys. Here is for sale. Our red Ishimoku met our condition, and our brown also met our condition. There, you will now wait for it to come down below, and our moving average cross. You enter for sale. So guys, in case you find this video interesting, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please share this video to your loved ones and also comment down below so that I will know what you think about this strategy. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and watch us for the next video. Thank you.